Hi, my name is Greg Holt with City Restore, and today we're here to demonstrate the City Restore Door Restore bucket that is for retail customers to do their own garage doors. As you can see behind me, we have a faded garage door, and we're going to use this today to restore this door. What's contained in the actual Door Restore bucket? It contains 16 ounces of the Door Restore finished product, one wash brush, an applicator pad, some Door Restore Door Clean, and a pair of gloves. To start the process, you'll need to take the 1 bottle of Door Clean concentrate and pour it into the 1 gallon bucket. After you've done this, you'll need to fill the bucket with water. If you want to see how the door should look when you're done, go ahead and pull back the little rubber flap on the side of the garage door, and you can see what the original color was. Now that you've got everything in the bucket and you're ready to go, rinse the door thoroughly to get it wet. Then dip the brush into the Door Clean. Scrub the door to remove oxidation and dirt. Now that you're done scrubbing the door, rinse it thoroughly to remove any oxidation or dirt that was left from scrubbing. Then dry the door thoroughly with a clean towel to remove water spots, streaks, oxidation, and water that is left on the door. Make sure the door is dried thoroughly before applying the Door Restore product. Now that you're ready to apply the Door Restore product, take the application pad. Apply the Door Restore directly to the pad with a sprayer. Now apply in small sections from one side of the door to the other. Once you are done, apply a second coat the same way to get anything you missed. Then once you've reached the end, step back, look at the door, and touch up any spots that you see.